Good morning, dear students. So far we have completed till 1.3. Now today we are going to start with Unit 1 1.5. The name of the chapter is Seeing Eyes Helping Hands on textbook page number 16. So first let me give you some introduction about this lesson, what is there in the lesson. Now as you know, communication is a vital tool in today's time. With the rise in technological media, communication has undergone a drastic change from letters to email. Invitations and messages can be sent in a short time. Now in this lesson, the various means of sending an invitation for an inaugural function in a school named as New Vision High School. So here formal invitation, oral invitation and notice being some of them. With the help of a sample invitation, the lesson conveys that one can choose among various means of communication, the one that best suits one's need. So let us start on page number 16, Unit 1 1.5, Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. Everyone in New Vision High School was busy. The inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands was scheduled to take place next week. Now here in this chapter, there is one school named as New Vision High School. They all were busy for what? The inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hand. Now what do you mean by inauguration? Inauguration means an official ceremony to mark the beginning of something. Okay, inauguration means an official ceremony to mark the beginning of something. I'll tell. Inauguration means when the new shop is there in the market. If the new shop is launching, so the opening is there of that shop, that is known as what? Inauguration. Okay, so that was a simple example to make you understand. So here in this school, there was an inauguration of the project named as Seeing Eyes Helping Hand, was scheduled to take place in next week. Now what do you mean by schedule? Schedule means arranged for a particular time. Okay, that is time. Schedule means a particular time was fixed to what? For an inauguration of project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. Okay, it has getting late for sending out the invitation. At last the principal herself prepared the formal invitation. The art teacher and her students make copies of it. Here is the sample of what they did. Now as there was a project inauguration, they full school has to prepare what? They have to prepare an invitation cards to invite the people. So at last and it was getting late, so who had helped the students? Principal himself had helped the students for making a formal invitation, and even the art teacher, the drawing teacher and the students, they had made the same copies of that invitation. Now here is the sample of that, of what they did. Sample means specimen. This is a sample. It is known as specimen also. Okay, so let us start. We solicits your presence at the inauguration of the project. Now we solicits your presence. What do you mean by solicit? Solicit means to formally ask for help. Solicit means to formally ask for help. So your presence at the inauguration of the project. They are here we means with the schools. The school are telling what? Telling the to help your presence. Presence means to come for the inauguration project. And what is the name of the project? Seeing Eyes Helping Hands, at the hands of Smith Vimla Nayak. Now who is going to inaugurate this? Vimla Nayak, formal principal of New Vision High School. Formal, she is what? She was the formal principal of New Vision High School. And president Shayak Samaj. And what is the name of the president? Shayak Samaj. Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital. Now, even there is who? Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, the Dean of New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. And he has agreed what? To preside over the function. Now, what is the time for the function? That is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. for 1 o'clock, for 1 hour. Okay. Sunday, 9th July 2017. Now, it is going to be held on which day? Sunday, that is 9 July 2017. Now, venue means where this program is going to be held. Assembly Hall, New Vision High School off Main Street, Girgaon. Now, this is the venue, this is the address. Okay, where? In the New Vision High School in Assembly Hall of Main Street, Girgaon. Okay. Shusheni Ambekar. Now, Shusheni Ambekar, principal, New Vision High School. Now, this is the she is the principal of New Vision High School. Okay, current principal. Formal means before. Okay. V.S. Ajinkya, teacher in charge. SEHS. SEHS is Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. This is the short form of Seeing Eyes Helping Hand. So, V.S. Ajinkya, teacher in charge. Who is the in charge of this? Name as V.S. Ajinkya. Komal Shelar, Nitin Walke, student secretaries. SEHS. Now, Komal Shelar and Nitin Walke, they are what? Student secretary of Seeing Eyes Helping Hand. Now, this is what? It is a formal invitation. I hope you have understood this formal invitation. Now, let us go to the second part, that is B, a written notice. Okay, it is what? The B part is a written notice. So, let us start. Also, notice was put up on the school notice board to invite the students' parents to the inaugural function. Now, even the program was there. So, the formal invitation will go to whom? To the people who are outside the school, means the dignitaries. Okay, we can say them dignitaries. Like it will go to police station, then newspapers, newspaper editor. All the dignitaries member will get what? This formal invitation. Okay. Now, as you know, the program was there in the school. The project was going to start in school. So, the students will be also invited and their parents will be also be invited. So, there was a written notice, and this written notice is given to whom? To the students and also the parents about inaugural function. So, let us see. Notice: student of standard 7th and their parents are invited to the inauguration of the project. Now, what is written in the notice? That students from standard 7th and their parents are invited. Invited means who? The person who is invited. Okay. So, the parents and students are invited for the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands at the hands of Smith Vimla Nayak. Who is going to inaugurate the program? Vimla Nayak, former principal of New Vision High School, and President Shayak Samaj. And this former principal and the President Shayak Samaj are going to what? Inaugurate the program. Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital. Now, this Dr. A.M. Chaudhary is Dean. He is what? New Life. He is the doctor in New Life Medical College and Hospital. Has kindly agreed to preside over the function, and he is also going to join the function. Okay. Time: 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday, 9 July 2017. As I told you in that formal invitation, the time is for 1 hour. That is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and which is the day? Sunday, 9 July 2017. Venue means address: Assembly Hall, New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. So, this was the written notice given to whom? It was given to parents and the student of standard 10. Okay. So, now come to page number 18, and this is an what? An oral invitation. Now, this oral invitation, let us see. Oral invitation. Teacher made phone calls to some special invitees. Here is a sample. Such samples of one such telephone conversation. Now it was a telephone conversation. Teacher had invited a special invitees. Invitees means a person who is invited. Okay, so let us start. Receptionist, hello Girgaon Times. Now teacher has called. Okay, so who pick up the phone? The receptionist. So what she is telling? She is telling that hello Girgaon Times. She is pick upping the phone and she is telling that I am talking from where? Girgaon Times. Now Girgaon Times is what? The name of the newspaper. Teacher, good morning. I am Vishwas Ajinkya from New Vision High School. Could I speak to your news editor, Mr. Shashank, please? Now what the teacher said? Teacher said to the receptionist, good morning. And what was the name of the teacher? Vishwas Ajinkya from New Vision High School. And he is asking that can I speak to news editor, and what is the name of the news editor? Mr. Shashank. Receptionist, just a sec. Now receptionist, she said just a sec. What is the meaning of sec? Sec is SEC. SEC means short form for second. Okay. Teacher, thank you. News editor, hello Mr. Ajinkya, Shashank speaking. How are you? Now she has given the call. She has passed the call to whom? The news editor, and the news editor is telling hello to sir, and what he is telling? I am speaking. Who is speaking? Shashank is speaking. And how are you? Teacher, fine. How are you? News editor, fine. Again the teacher also says that I am fine, and he is asking same question to who? To the news editor, and news editor is also saying that I am also fine. Teacher, Mr. Shashank, I have a request. I am calling from New Vision High School. Our school is starting a new social work project. The inauguration is on the coming Sunday. We are sending you the official invitation today. Now what the teacher said to Mr. Shashank, that I am requesting you. I am calling you from New Vision High School. That I am calling you from this school. And why I am calling? Because our school is going to start a new project. And what is the name of the project? Seeing Eyes Helping Hand. And it is on which? This coming Sunday is the Sunday which is going to come, and we are sending you the official invitation today, and they are going to send a official invitation also. That also when? Today. News editor, I see. Now news editor listened to the teacher and he said, yes, I understood. Teacher, our idea is to make our student aware of their social responsibility. It will be a big project, and we hope it will set a trend for all the schools to follow. Now what teacher said? Why we are calling you? That what are their ideas? Their idea is to make our project aware of their social responsibility. Teacher is telling that our students should know all the social responsibility. So we are starting this project, and once we will start this project, everyone, it will become a trend. Trend means what? What do you mean by trend? To do something that becomes acceptable or fashionable, something that lot of other people copy. Trend means that even the other schools will copy, and also they will start with this project. Okay, it will be a big project, and we hope it will set a trend for all the schools to follow. We would like your paper to cover the function prominently. Now what the teacher said, that I would like to tell you that in your paper, that is what? Girgaon Times, what we are going to do, you should what? You should put as a news in your paper. Okay, we would like your paper to cover the function prominently. What do you mean by prominently? In the way that many people will know about it. Okay, prominently means what? In the way that many people will know about it. Okay, that is what propaganda. Okay, now news editor, well, this Sunday is going to be a busy day, but as you say, the project is an important one. It should get good publicity. When did you say is the function? Now what news editor said, this Sunday is what? The busy day for me, but as you said that it is very important, so it could get good publicity. As you are selling, it should get what? Good publicity. Now he asked, who? News editor asked, when did you say is the function? He is asking when is the function. Teacher, this Sunday at 10 in the morning. What teacher said? On this Sunday only, and it is going to start at 10 o'clock. News editor, fine. I have made a note of it. What news editor said, that I had noted the time also and day also. It's okay. Teacher, thank you very much. So what teacher says to that news editor, thank you very much. Now this was what? An oral invitation. Now on page number 19, let us see. This is what? This is another oral invitation. It is what? Another oral invitation. Students passed on the message to their parents. Here is a sample. Now as we had seen in B, the note on notice board, the notice was given for the students and for the parents. So what the students did, students read the notice and they were what? They were giving the message of the notice to whom? To their parents. So this is also what? An oral invitation. Mummy, you and daddy are invited to our school on Sunday, the 9th, said Samir. Now Samir is one of the boy from the school and he is telling to his parents that you both, mom and dad, they both are invited to school on Sunday. And what is the date? 9th. What's the occasion? Now who is asking? One of the parents is asking what is the occasion. Our school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. There is a function to inaugurate it on Sunday at 10 sharp. Students of 7th standard are invited with their parents. Now what the Samir said, that our school is going to run a project, and what is the name of the project? Seeing Eyes Helping Hand. There is a function of inauguration. What is the function? It is a function of inauguration. It is on Sunday at 10 sharp and students of 7th standard and their parents are invited to the school. Where is it? In the school assembly hall. Parents asked the boy, where is the function? What the boy said, it is in school assembly hall. How long will it be? Parents asked, for how many time we have to be there? About an hour. Mrs. Nayak will be there too. She is going to inaugurate it. Now what the boy says, he says that it is for 1 hour and Mrs. Nayak will be there too and he is going to inaugurate it. I see. And what's this project about? Now the parents ask, okay, I understood, but what is this project about? Oh, we are all going to visit places and work for others, turn by turn. They will explain that on Sunday. Now the boy, the Samir, the boy from the school, he explain the parents very shortly. The parents ask, what is that in the project? So he says that we are going to visit places and work for others. We are going to work for others turn by turn. And he says that all the things what is there in this Seeing Eyes Helping Hands, our teachers are going to explain on Sunday. Okay, they will explain that Sunday. So you are going to participate in it, aren't you? So the mom asked to Samir that you are going to participate in it. So Samir says, yes, mummy. Let's see, daddy and I can both go, but one of us will accompany you. Now what the mom says, let us see, daddy and I both go, but one will, can we both come or not, that we don't know, but one of us will accompany you. What she is telling, from both of us one will accompany you. What do you mean by accompany? To go along with someone. Okay, accompany means to go along with someone. So that would be nice, because Mr. Ajinkya has specially asked all the students to tell their parents about it. Now when the mother said that if daddy will not come, then I will come, any one of us will come with you. So what the boy says, that would be nice, because our sir has told us, specially asked the students to tell their parents about it. Our sir has told to inform the parents. Okay, so we had finished with this chapter 1.5. We had seen 4 parts. One was a formal invitation, second was a written notice, third was an oral invitation, that was a conversation, and next was another oral invitation. I hope you have understood this lesson. So go through this all the 4 specimens given in the textbook. I hope you will understood more if you will go through the textbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.